Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we are going to talk about the acceleration principle. What do you mean by the acceleration principle? This principle basically states that when demand for consumer goods increase, then demand for machinery and other necessary investment to make this good will also increase. The acceleration principle states that when demand for consumer goods increase, then demand for machinery and other necessary investment to make these goods will also increase. And one most important thing, increase in investment will be many more time higher than increase in consumption. And formula of accelerator is delta I over delta C. Okay, V is accelerator and delta I is change in investment and delta C is change in consumption. Here change in investment is 500 and change in consumption is 100. 500 over 100 is equal to 5. This 5 is value of accelerator. And here we can see change in investment is many more time higher than change in consumption. Now we see how the accelerator principle work. In first column we take time period. In second column we take change in consumption, or we can say the total amount of output which we required. And in third column we take capital or machinery needed for output. Here we take gross investment, in which include additional replacement and total investment. Every year we need some amount of replacement investment because of depreciation. Additional investment plus replacement investment is equal to total investment. Okay, in 2006 our consumption is 1000 and capital or machinery needed for output is equal to 100. In 2006 our additional investment is nil because we start from 2006, and we assume our replacement investment is equal to 10, and additional investment plus replacement investment is equal to total investment. In 2006 our total investment is equal to 10. Okay, now suppose 10% rise in demand, or we can say that 10% increase in consumption. That's why our consumption will be 1000 to 1100 because 10% increase in demand, and for this increasing demand producer need to produce some amount of output, and for producing this amount of output we need 10 more machinery. Okay, that's why in 2006 capital or machinery needed is 100, but in 2007 capital or machinery needed is 110 because we require 10 more machineries. Okay, in 2007 our additional investment is 10 because 110 minus 100 is equal to 10. That's why our additional investment is equal to 10. As we earlier assume, our replacement investment is equal to 10 because every year we have to replace some amount of investment because of depreciation. Okay, additional investment plus replacement investment is equal to total investment. In 2006 our total investment is 10, but in 2007 our total investment is equal to 20. Okay, in this table you can clearly see only 10% rise in consumption, 10% rise in demand will cause of 100% rise in investment. You can see consumption rise only 10%, 1000 to 1100, but investment rise 100%, 10 to 20. So we can say that in acceleration increase in investment will be many more time higher than increase in consumption. Now we understand acceleration effect with the help of this diagram. In this diagram, on x-axis we take income, on y-axis we take saving and investment. Okay, this black one I and I1 line represent investment, and this red one S line represents saving. Initially equilibrium point is E, where saving is equal to investment. Okay, but where is accelerator effect? Okay, in acceleration, as we all know, with the increase in consumption, many more time investment will also increase, and this increase in investment will call induced investment. In acceleration, with the increase in consumption, many more time investment will also increase, and this increase in investment will call induced investment. Okay, and in this diagram L3 to L4 increase in investment is called induced investment. Okay, in this diagram, L3 to L4 increase in investment will be called as induced investment. And this induced investment, this increase in induced investment, L3 to L4 further increase income of any economy from Y2 to Y33. This increase in income because of induced investment will called acceleration effect. Okay, this will call acceleration effect. And investment from L2 to L3 is autonomous investment. That's why these investment will create multiplier effect. Okay, this is all about principle of accelerator. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.